Hello friends, welcome back to the Nifty chart analysis. This analysis mainly focus on the intraday option bias. Okay, so yeah, let's begin with our analysis. Yeah, so we can see, and this is the on 2nd January, right, on the expiry date. The Nifty breakdown, show the break, show the breakout, right, and it reaches to this level. Now this analysis we are doing it for the third of January. Now Nifty is going from this level, right, like 23,400 to 24,200. So it's a long jump, right? And it was expected that some profit booking will happen on the 3rd of January. So you can see, right? I mean, there is a downwards once open, it was going down constantly, like from 9:15 to 11, right? 10:45. So right, this downfall was expected because there's some profit booking always happens in such cases. So what should we do? I mean, as a retail buyer, retail traders, intraday traders, what should we do? So let me go to the 5-minute chart. Okay, so now can see this is your 9:15, 9:15. Okay. Now here on the 5-minute chart, you can see some consolidation happens at the last and later stages of your earlier day, that is the 2nd January. So now, so guys, in such cases, the profit booking will happen, as I said, and then on this day, on 23rd day, you can look for the lower position, for the uh, you can go for the option put buying. Okay, because see, it is more likely to go down than going up because the many traders they are buying from this level or maybe this level or maybe some this level. They want to book their profit because in after such a long uptrend, it loses its momentum anyway, right? So in such scenario, you can always look for the buying on the lower side. Okay. So one could have entered on 9:15 or maybe sorry 9:20, put a stop loss somewhere here, and then go for this buying. Okay. This green candle at 10 maybe some worrisome because it is an indication that market will go up, but again you see the red candle, right? So it's better to wait for the next candle. I mean, most traders would have exited, right, and from this seeing this green candle. But you can wait for for another candle to form and then take your decision. Okay. So again, it forms red candle, and then maybe at this point, because it's good range one gate. I mean, yeah, maybe at 10, 11, 5, one can exit in such scenario. Okay, guys. So yeah, that was my observation. Apart from that, I don't see any good position to enter. Okay. And again, the market again reaches this starting the support at this level. All right, guys. So this was my analysis for the 3rd January chart. Now we'll see what can happen next. So for that, let me go to 1-day chart. Okay. So okay, let me shrink it. Okay. Now you can see this is the candle. I mean, this is the candle on 3rd January. Okay, where Nifty shown some falls like 183 points. Okay. Now what can happen, right? Now, this is a strong resistance here, which is on 24,200. If Nifty break this resistance next day and start trading around this level, like 2400, 24,200, then buyers will come, buyers will become again active again, and then it can push it up. Okay, this is the first. So watch for this level, watch for the opening on the next day, and if it is above 24,200, then most likely you can enter for the buying position. Okay, if it is on the this level is also important, like that is your 2300, 20,900. This is on the second on the third January candle, right? So if it is open somewhere here and it's trade downwards, then you can go for the lower side position. Okay, these are the two important things. The next big thing, I mean, big strong or support, I should say, this is a strong support, right? 24,000, 23,400. Because you can see, I mean, these are the many candle, many 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 to 7 days candle, right? I mean, these are taking support here, and also this range forms here, right? So this is going to be the very strong support to break. And what is that number? 23,450, we should say. Okay, and if it break this level, okay, again, because this has not been broken, if this level is break, then you can see sharp downwards movement, and then you can enter if you find. But I don't see it will take this support, because see, even if I take, what is that, 4th November from 14, sorry, 14 November, 14 or 13 November, it is taking support at this level. So it is very unlikely that it will come down and break this level. But if it breaks this level, then there will be good opportunity for you to to earn good profit by buying the puts. But no, it will not happen easily. Maybe next day, or maybe on next week also. It's very unlikely to happen. But okay, do watch on for this level, okay, for good profit. That is your 23,400, 400 or 450. All right, for the upper side, if it is in this range, if it trades in this range only, or what is that range? 24,200 and 24,000. Okay, so this is about 300, right? Dot 250. Okay, this is very narrow range in that sense. So if it is if it is trade in this range, then one should not expect very big move. Okay, maybe on the downward side, it will not very will give that much good opportunity downward side also. So one can see maybe on the upward side it can give a good move, because on that 2nd January you can see, I mean, that was expiry also. So other factors also contributed on upward movement, but most likely if it is there, then I would say buyer will be more in active than sellers. I mean, uh, looking at this two candles, like on 2nd and 3rd January, I would say buyer will have more strength than seller. So if it is in this range here, or comes, or trade this range, 24,000 to 250 to 300, this range, then it will give a good points on the higher upper side, okay, rather than the lower side. I mean, I want to say, if it opens on 23,900, 2,400, right? So if it opens and it will trade in this range for some time, and then it can go lower. But that downward downside, potential or downside range, I see little less than upward. Okay, so let's see. I mean, that is what I'm thinking. Okay, guys. So uh, the Monday session will be interesting, because we'll see in which direction it will go. Okay, and that will set the direction for the next week also. The Monday's opening will give the more clarity on it. Okay. All right, guys. So I think I should end this video, but before ending, I should just give the disclaimer that this is just my observation, and what I see, I'm sharing. It's not not any recommendation or education. So also share your observation, your comments. Okay, and yeah, I should say in this video. Thank you guys for watching.